Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr.D and welcome to my English learning channel. Today we are going to learn about indefinite pronouns and how to use them. Before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified about a new video every week. Let's go! Indefinite pronouns are used when referring to things that are unspecified. In other words, we use indefinite pronouns when we don't know who or what the subject of the sentence is precisely. In this video, we are going to look at a few indefinite pronouns based on the category of nouns they refer to. We will look at some indefinite pronouns used for people, places, and things. The pronoun we use also changes depending on the quantity of our subjects. So we will look at examples of indefinite pronouns used for an entire group, a part of the group, and a negative instance. This might sound a little scary, but it's very easy once you see some examples, so let's shine some light on it. When referring to people, we use indefinite pronouns ending with either body or one. This is an easy way to understand what the subject of the sentence is. When referring to a group of people, we can use the pronouns everybody or everyone. An example could be, did everyone or everybody like this video? When referring to a part of a group, we can use the pronouns anyone or someone and anybody or somebody. An example could be, could someone or anyone please help me? Or, is anybody or somebody there? And finally, when we are referring to no person at all, we can use the pronouns no one or nobody. As we can see in the example, nobody or no one showed up for the concert. Our next category of nouns to refer to are places. Here we use pronouns ending with the suffix where. When we refer to all places, we can use the indefinite pronoun everywhere. For example, there were cockroaches everywhere. When referring to a place as part of something, we can use the pronouns anywhere and somewhere. We can use the examples, just put the bags down anywhere, or more famously, somewhere over the rainbow. And when we are referring to no place in general, we can use the indefinite pronoun nowhere. A common example is the phrase, we are in the middle of nowhere. Our final category of nouns we can use indefinite pronouns for are things. This is probably the easiest one to use because these pronouns end with the suffix thing. Just like with the other indefinite pronouns, when we refer to all of the things, we can use the pronoun everything. As in the example, everything makes sense now. When we are referring to things as a part of the whole, we can use the pronouns anything and something. For example, something is going on next door, or they can order anything from the menu. Finally, when referring to no specific thing, we can use the pronoun nothing. Some examples are, nothing is the matter, or for all you teachers out there, he wrote nothing in his notebook. Well, that's it for this video everyone. Thank you for watching. If you would like to practice indefinite pronouns, my worksheet is available on Teachers Pay Teachers. Also, make sure you smash the like button as it really helps my channel to grow. See you all in the next episode.